All right, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. All right, today I'm sitting in a 2016 Dodge Ram 1500. Now I'm going to go over the heating and cooling controls in this vehicle, okay? So I'm just going to go to the center. As you can see, there are a lot of things going on. There's an on-screen display as well as a non-on-screen display, which is basically simple. I'm going to go over the screen display because it has a lot more features that I can go over, okay? So we're going to start at the top. You have the Max AC. Now the Max AC will give you the coldest that this car can possibly go. You have to click it first, and then it automatically goes to low, and it comes on really high, okay? And it recirculates the air in there. All right, if you just want AC, not Max AC, you can press that, and it brings cold air, but it's not recirculating the air, so it's not as cold, but it's good and it's fresh. Okay, you have the recirculating button. Okay, you see how I just press that, the recirculation button, recirculates the air within the vehicle. The auto feature, which automatically adjusts the climate within the vehicle for you. Turn that off. Turn this fan speed down. We'll go over the fan speed in a little bit. And then there's the front defrost, okay? You press that and it blows automatically on the windshield to defrost or defog the windshield. Turn that off, okay? And then we're gonna go to rear. You can press that and it will defrost the rear window, like right there, okay? Next, we're gonna go with temperature control. Right here is temperature control. I can go right here and I can bring this down to the right temperature that I want to, okay? And then it's synchronized on both sides, but also there's a sync button, all right? And I'll show you that. So I go over here to the passenger, I can raise the temperature, and you see there's two different temperatures in the vehicle, and we can bring them back to the same temperature by simply pressing the sync, and they are both back to the same temperature. All right, next we're gonna go with directional flow, okay? This right here, I press this, and it blows at the face. This one right here blows at the face and feet. That button blows at the feet. This button blows at the windshield and at the feet. And then we're gonna go over to fan speed, okay? This is fan speed. You can actually have it down to 1, or you can increase it by simply sliding over here like that to bring it up, or you can press this big fan to bring it up, or the small fan to bring it back down, okay? Those are some great features, but there's also the heated steering wheel and heated seat feature. I can access those by pressing this, press that, and it goes right here. And I can have the heated seat, heated steering wheel, and there's also a backup camera. You can see that feature right there. Get out of that. That's pretty cool. And that's how you turn on and off the heated seats and everything right here. See, high, low. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Also, the passenger heated seat is right there as well too. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.